Do you struggle to overcome food cravings, comfort eating, and other unhealthy eating habits? Maybe you have tried several methods and your willpower also seemed to fail you. I understand. I was in your shoes back in 2019 when I started my wellness journey. I just could not resist the urge to stop eating muffins and biscuits almost after every meal. Well, in this video, I will share the 3-step processes that I used, which I call the 3 R's, to help me overcome my unhealthy eating habits. The 3 R's are necessary to control and change unhealthy eating habits. Also, watch this video to the end so you can discover one extra action you can take to make this change process fun and easy as well. Hi friends, my name is Dr. Christopher. If you are new to this channel, welcome to my channel. I'm an experienced primary care physician with almost a decade of clinical experience, turned a certified lifestyle change and mental well-being coach. In this channel, I discuss proven practices and share tools for lifestyle change and mental well-being to protect the physical and mental health of high-performing professionals and entrepreneurs. Please subscribe to support my channel and to learn more. This is the second video in the unhealthy eating habits video series. If you have not watched the first video, stick with me to the end of this video to get the link to watch the first video. The 3 R's to help you change unhealthy eating habits are recognition, replace, and respond. I will discuss each of these R's in details. Now, the first R is called recognition. This means increasing your level of awareness about your current eating behaviors and habits. There are 2 simple ways to achieve this. First, keep a food journal, and the second way is use a food tracking app. Use a journal or a food tracking app to keep a log of your daily food intake for a few days, like 7 days. Then after the 7th day, review the types of foods you have eaten and check for your patterns. Compare and take account of the unhealthy and healthy foods you have taken during this period. The second R is replace. Put unhealthy foods out of your reach and sight. Personally, until I got rid of muffins and biscuits out of my reach, I struggled to eat healthy. Replace these refined foods with nutritious foods that will boost your energy while working. If you are enjoying the content so far, hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. And let me know in the comment section what you think about some of these behaviors. The third R is to respond. Discover and practice healthy eating behaviors. The 2 simple ones that I recommend are time-controlled eating and mindful eating practices. I discuss these practices in details in my new book, The Power of Healthy Eating Habits, which is an ebook. In the ebook, I discussed the science and reviewed several research studies that showed how effective these practices are. I'm giving it away for free, but for a limited time to help you with your eating habits. Click the link in the description to grab your free copy from any online retail store. Now to my bonus tip: reward yourself. The human brain loves rewards because of the feeling of pleasure you get with it. When you get pleasure from doing something, the brain pushes you to repeat the same behavior to get those pleasures again. The renowned scientist and psychologist B.F. Skinner showed the impact of rewards in his famous ping pong experiments with pigeons. He taught pigeons how to play ping pong by feeding the pigeons for each action taken. After repeating this reward, the pigeons learned more and more. To find a reward that will reinforce a behavior, select something you genuinely love doing or enjoy and then use it. Examples of a reward could be eating a piece of your favorite snack, watching a movie you love to watch, or visiting a cherished location. Start with a small reward you can stick to initially and use a big reward for huge milestones achieved. Now that you know how to change unhealthy eating habits, you need to overcome obstacles to help you stay consistent. I will share the obstacles that stop most people in my next video, which is the last in this series. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on this very important video. Click here to watch the first video in this series. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.